In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar displaying right on a Squarespace page, using Google's built-in embed code and Squarespace's embed block. You'll need access to the Google Calendar you want to show and editing access to your Squarespace site. Start in Google Calendar. On the left, under My Calendars, hover over the calendar you want to add. Click the three dots to open its options, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings for that specific calendar, not your entire account, which is important if you manage multiple calendars. In the Settings sidebar, scroll until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here, Google provides an embed code. It's an iframe, and it already includes your calendar's unique ID and default display options. Click once inside the embed code field to highlight everything, then copy it. Keep this window open in case you want to tweak options later, like default view or time zone. Now, switch to Squarespace and open the page where you want the calendar to appear. Click Edit on the page, then add a new content area where you want the calendar. Choose Add Block, and from the block picker, select Embed. When the embed block is placed, click the pencil or edit icon to open its settings. Switch to the code snippet option so you can paste custom code rather than a simple URL. Click into the embed data field, paste the Google Calendar iframe you copied, and apply or save the block. Finally, save the page changes in Squarespace to publish your calendar. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If the calendar looks cut off or too tall, you can adjust the width and height values inside the iframe to better fit your page layout. If nothing appears after saving, double check that you pasted the full iframe and not a truncated snippet. Also, Google Calendar embeds display only events the calendar is permitted to share. If you see a blank area, review that calendar's sharing settings back in Google Calendar and ensure it's set to be viewable by your site visitors. In most cases, an iframe is all you need. Squarespace doesn't allow scripts in content areas, but a frame embeds like this work well. That's it. You copied the Google Calendar embed code, added an embed block in Squarespace, switched to code snippet, and pasted the code. Save your changes, refresh the page, and your events should now be live and in sync on your site.